Hello everyone, how are you? Question number 10. Prove that limit 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx equal to minus pi by 2 log 2. We know that limit a to b function of x dx equal to limit a to b function of a plus b minus x dx. Okay, we'll apply this formula here. Okay, let I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin x dx number 1. Now I equal to 0 to pi by 2 log sin pi by 2 minus x dx formula I will apply here. Okay, so log sin 90 minus x means cos x. Very good. It will be log cos x dx. Issue number 2. Now what will we do? Addition. Very good. Roman 1 plus Roman 2. We have I plus I means 2i. 2 equal to 0 to pi by 2 plus log cos x dx. Now log cos x dx. Okay, we know that log m plus log n equal to log m into n. So here will be cos x dx. Clear this part? Okay. 2 equal to. Now multiplying to sin x cos x by 2, this you will get sin x cos x. Okay, to sin x into cos x by 2. If you cut this part, you will get again this part. Okay, so now formula, we know that sin 2x equal to, okay, so in place of this you can write down this one. Now log m by n, log m by n formula is log n. So log m minus this part, log m minus log n. Let 2x equal to, let this 2x equal to z. Differentiating with respect to x, we have dx equal to half of dz. Now changing limit here. If x is 0, there will be 0. If x is pi by 2, there will be pi. And dx will have dz. Minus this part. Log 2 dx. Clear view of this part? Copy it now. Equal to half sin z dz minus we know that twice a will be 0 if function of 2 minus equal to minus fx and equal to 0 to a fx dx if function of 2a minus x equal to plus fx. Okay, here see let function of z equal to sin z, function of pi minus z equal to pi minus that is equal to fz. So therefore sin z equal to okay, what is formula? I apply this formula here. So therefore log dz log 2 out log 2 0 to pi by 2 dx. Okay, cancel 0 to pi by 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a ft dt. So you can say that log sin x dx minus log 2 dx. Okay, this value is I minus 2 pi by 2. So now if you do minus this, we get here I equal to minus log 2 by 2 minus 0 means I equal to minus pi by 2 our required. Everyone clear? Any question? Okay, copy it now.